Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and styling without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Renegade Altitude in Anvil Gray. With automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black daylight opening moldings, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, electric park brake, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5629A.